Alright, so today is the 27th. Hurricane Laura hit Lake Charles last night. So didn't really have any problems here at the house in Baton Rouge. So our goal for tonight is to start unloading the engine bay, just kind of disconnecting, labeling, if we even need to label. I mean, I'm not going back with the original wiring harness, so it's going to be a whole new ECU and wiring harness in there. So the boys came out and said that they wanted to help. So so they're here to help me, and we're getting ready to start disconnecting some stuff, labeling some stuff in the engine bay, and we'll see. So this is really the start. This is really the start of week 3. It's kind of going quick. Things are happening kind of nicely. So we'll see what happens.
Oh.